Got him. Got him. Oh. Oh. Come on. Got him. It's a nice peacock. Oh. Well, I'm back at it again. It's been a funky weather in Florida. Rain, no rain, so bass and other fish are barely doing anything. So I'm here to see if peacock bass are still biting. Let's see. I see a couple of them in the water next to me. Let's see if I can get some interest. Almost. They're going at it. Huh. Got him. Got him. Oh. Oh. Come on. Okay, easy, easy, easy. That's a little boy. Stop. Okay, easy. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful peacock. Huh. Alrighty then. Well, I guess my decision was right. The other ones are not playing, but the peacocks, they're still aggressive. Oh boy. Alright, let me wash my hands. I see another one sitting right there. I guess this is a bigger and wiser one. Huh. Doesn't want to participate. No. Alright, let's move. Let's see if there's any more. Oh, I see some peacocks here. Nope, no. I guess those has been caught recently. They're not in the mood. I'm on the other side of the spillway. Change the color. I see a couple of peacock bass. They're semi interested. Let's get one. One is right next to me. He's right here, right next to this log. He's following too, but got him. Oh, got off. And he's attacking it at the same time. I'm trying to get it unhooked. I got it hooked on a log. And he... got him. It's a nice peacock. Oh. Whew. Oh well. Go, go, go. Huh? That was fun. See another one there. Let me see if I can get that one, but it's gonna be tough after I just got this one. Hit it. All right, let me go back to the stone. It's a little easier to see it from there. This big boy is still here. Man, I just got him and he got away. Come on. Got it. Got him. Got him. Oh, come on. Oh my God. Oh, he took my lure. Really? That's not nice. I see him right there, swimming with my lure. It's on the side of his mouth. So I just put a lipless crankbait. Hopefully he's angry. I'll get him angry. Maybe I'll get him angry enough that he'll bite a lipless, so I can get him and my lure back. It's right on the side. Man. Huh. I couldn't get and that bass was my lure. I had to move. They left. Luckily, the lure is not in his mouth. It's on the side of the mouth. So I think it's he's gonna survive. Oh, it was my fault. After catching 2 or 3, whatever it was today, I should have retied. That's what the problem was. It was a knot that went bad. Oh, I see 2 peacocks here, lots of rocks. So I'm trying to be very careful not to get it hooked on the rocks. Whew, man, I just got one. He got away. I don't understand what's going on.
Well, I ran out of bites at this point, and it was time to pack it in for the day. If you enjoyed the action, please take a second to hit that like button and subscribe. It makes a huge difference for the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.